Then we look at oxide of what? Metals. When you discuss oxide, you are supposed to know what is an oxide. An oxide is a binary compound that contains oxygen. An oxide is a binary compound that contains oxygen, which means that metallic oxide is a binary compound that contains a metal and the word oxygen. Now we are going to look at many or some certain things about the oxide of what? Metals. One, oxide of metals are either basic or amphoteric. Oxide of metals are either what? Basic or amphoteric. By the term basic, it means the oxide of metals act as what? A base. Act as what? A base. What is a base? A base is a substance that can react with acid to form salt and water, which means oxide of metals can react with acid to form salt and water. Example, Na2O is sodium oxide. HCl is an acid, and the reaction will give us 2NaCl and H2O, where NaCl is what? Salt. So you see that this is an oxide, this is what? Acid, this is what? Salt, and this is what? Water. So you see that oxide of metals has a nature. Most of them are what? Only basic. If I have something like what? Calcium oxide reacting with what? Acid is going to give me salt, which is calcium tetrodosulfate 6 and the what? Water. If I have something like magnesium what? Oxide reacting with what? An acid is going to give me salt and the word water. So we see that most oxides of metals are basic in the sense that they can react with acid to form salt and the word water. Other oxides of metals are amphoteric. Other oxides of metals are what? The term amphi means both. The term amphi means what? Both. Which means it can act as a base as well as acting as what? An acid. Examples of oxide of metals that can be amphoteric are aluminium, zinc, lead, tin. They are amphoteric what? Their oxides are what? Amphoteric what? Oxides. If you look at zinc oxide, it can react with acid to give me zinc chloride and the word water, which means it is acting as a base. It is acting as a base. It is acting as a base. But when zinc oxide reacts with a base, to give us it is acting as an acid. So the ability of zinc oxide to react with an acid to form salt, and also with a base to form what? Salt, makes zinc oxide to be what? Amphoteric. 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 So similarly, aluminum and lead can also do that. They can react with both acid and with what? Alkali. And the ability for them to do that makes them to be considered as what? Amphoteric what? Oxide. It is only the oxide of metals that can be what? Basic. Non-metallic oxides are never basic. So the nature of oxide of metals are what? Basic oxide and the what? Amphoteric what? Oxide.